Is WhatsApp acting like you only have a handful of friends? First, head into your phone's settings. This will vary slightly depending on your Android or iPhone device, but look for a general settings icon, often a gear. Scroll down until you find Apps or Applications Manager. Tap on it. Now, locate WhatsApp in the list of your installed applications. Tap on WhatsApp and then select Permissions. Make sure the Contacts permission is toggled on, granting WhatsApp access to your contacts list. If it's off, this is likely your problem. Toggle it on and restart the app. If the problem persists, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, usually found by tapping the three dots or your profile picture. Select Contacts from the list. You should see a refresh option. Tap that. This forces WhatsApp to resync with your address book. And that's it. With these simple steps, your contacts should reappear in WhatsApp, letting you get back to chatting with everyone. If the issue still persists, make sure your contacts are properly saved on your phone or linked to your Google account or iCloud. Now you can easily stay in touch with your friends, family, and colleagues.